Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm at Dollar Tree today getting a few items. Got my list. So today is Sunday and got a bunch of stuff, so just go through it and show you everything. So I'm gonna flip the camera, okay? My hair's looking a little cray cray, but ignore that. Okay, so what do we get? I did not get these are my husband's purchases. Sylvania bulbs. Who knew they had this here? I did not. He found those. Got some drawstring, large trash bags. These are really good and they come in handy. Also found these square cake pans. I've used these before. They're very good. Some little wall art because we are a girl gang. Found these for my daughter. Oh Snap Capture wall decorations and creations. These are very good and they don't damage your walls. Get these for my little son. He actually needs to try to learn to write smaller because he's not doing that right now. So we're practicing, and we are doing homeschooling right now because it's quarantine and it is summer break anyway. He doesn't normally summer school though. Then there's also these Surefresh professional container and lids. Use these quite a lot for everything, food storage. So these are really good. Then my daughter's been needing these calendars. This is like a dry erase type calendar. I hope you guys can see it. And you can write anything they want on there for the schedule. So she'll like this. This is like the only color they had. It wasn't really fancy or anything, but it'll get the job done. See what else have I showed you guys? Oh, then there's these Glad storage. For some reason, we're always running out of these, so they have them here by Glad. That is a brand name, and they usually give you 10, but they give you 3 free bonus ones. So that's good. It wound up being 13 in total. Then I got these masking tapes, which are really cool. They come in handy for everything you want to tape at your house. So we're going to buy those. Then Reynolds wrap, aluminum foil. That's a brand name. You never know. I mean, we run out of Reynolds wrap too much. Excuse my hands, guys. I did not put any lotion on, but Dollar Tree has the best lotion, Thermosil. Then there's Westcott all-purpose scissors. You can never have too many scissors. And then there's the Softy coconut oil. I've used this for my hair. It does wonders. And it's good for your lips too. So that's a must. And I normally don't buy a lot of hair products here, but this brand, I've used it before and it's a good brand. Silky Ends Hair Care Pro Formula 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. It has pro vitamins B5 in it, aloe vera, and soy protein. So I'm going to give this a try. This one I haven't tried, but I have used this brand before. And picked up a couple of more flowers. Pretty pink. I'm actually going to show you guys a video on how to create your own like floral decor using only Dollar Tree products. I think that'll be fun. And then I got this sleek little cute bonnet. Maintain your hairstyle. So at night I kind of like tie up my hair to keep in moisture and everything. Another coconut oil because you can never have too many of these. It's very good for your hair and your scalp and hair growth. I think my husband got these towels. They have a lot of good towels, and these towels feel really good. So if you're, in the market for a hand towel for your kitchen, then you can find these at Dollar Tree for a little or nothing. And that's about it. Oh, wait a minute. There's more. Sorry, guys. Look, your Sure cotton balls. I'm running low. You know how we do with the skincare routine. So that's it. A must. And nail polish remover. I decided to try this leather and vinyl protectant. Haven't tried it out, but it looks good. I'm going to give it a try for $1. The leather and protectants go for like $5.99 and up when you go out to other stores. But Dollar Tree has it here. Okay, my husband found a sharpening stone. So obviously they have some tools here for the man in your life. I don't find this stuff. Honestly, I don't go to the hardware section. He found this. 12 in one screwdriver set. Okay. So, I mean, I never knew that was here. He's schooling me on some stuff. And, oh, I found this cool little cutting board. It is so nice and it's very sturdy, guys. Alright, so I'm going to flip the camera back around. So, hopefully you've enjoyed this haul. Sorry, I got the mask on. I am smiling behind here. Love you guys. Stay tuned for more vlogs. And have a happy Sunday. Thanks, bye. Well, guys, hello. I'm back. We are now at Burlington Coat Factory. As you can see, the shelves are empty behind me, but let me flip the camera. As you can see, I missed the sale. I'm so mad. I missed the sale, guys. Everything is empty. Right now we are in the men's section, right, for shoes, and there's like nada here. Nothing. It's never been like this in Burlington. And it's not because the store is closing down. It's because they had a monstrous sale that I missed. Okay, can you see this? Look at all these empty shelves. Oh my goodness. But you know me, bargainista fashionista. I'm still trying to come up with some stuff, okay, for you guys. Okay, so today, see, I found this outfit right here. It's $1.99. I'm getting this for my daughter since she's the baller of the family. And this here is on sale for $1.99. NBA stuff. She'll like these shirts. Go with her little swag. Bunny, say hi to the vlog.
Hi.
And we found just a couple of little bargains here and there. Nothing too much because honestly, these guys, they don't have much here. But I'll keep you guys updated if I find some more deals. Oh, and my husband is kind of like shopping for family in Nigeria while he's here, trying to pick up a couple of bargains here and there.
I like cheap.
And stuff like that. He doesn't really like cheap. Don't believe him. That's me. That's me. Believe him, guys. I'm the cheap one. He'll pay whatever. He didn't even used to believe in retail me not until I put him on that. So he likes to pay full price. I, however, do not. So, okay, so let me take you around the store here so you guys can see what's up. Let's see. Oh, look at these for your housewares. This is $16.99. This is so pretty. Look how it stands up, so tall. Nice. Oh, that's so pretty. Let's see, what is this? Now these are their normal little you know, accents for your home. These are going for like regular price. So this is the thing. This is their regular price items versus when something is on sale, it goes in a red label. Okay, so that's how you know. That's how you know the difference in the quality or if it's a clearance item or not. But they have like accents for the home, and I'm sure they're just restocking. I did ask the sales associate about why it's so like empty in here, and she basically was just telling me the reason why it's so empty is because they had a master sale, a monster sale that I missed, and I don't know how I missed it, but I guess I wasn't, you know, everything's been closing down and you don't know people's hours and stuff like that, so it's just been really confusing. They have these items as well. There's one for $9.99. I think this is really beautiful. If I was in need of something like this, I would get it. It's the Amon Home Collection, and it feels really sturdy, you know. It is so cool. It's like pretty. I think this is a candle holder if I'm not mistaken. But, you know, this could be an accent for anything, and it's made in India. So that's really nice and pretty. So here's another little accents and things like that. So just take you guys around. Here's some more accents. I don't know if we have any more major holidays after the 4th. Here's their stationery, and it's ERY for stationery. Yeah, you're in school, you get those two stationaries confused. ARY, ERY. So these are all so cute. Dream Big 2020. Grandma, tell me your story. So pretty. These are very beautiful. It says own your magic. I like this one. This is pretty. I think I'm gonna have to get this one. Yes, I like this. This is a me fine. Okay, so let's see. Oh, teach, love, inspire. Look at all these cute little accents for your home. And you know we love quotes. Life doesn't come with a manual, it comes with a mother. Oh, that's so sweet. May your coffee be stronger than your toddler. Oh God, that's a good one. I love it. That's funny. Forever and always. Teach, love, inspire. Memories for like weddings. They have everything here at Burlington Coat Factory. Not sure if you guys have one where you are. Set goals and crush them. This is all cool. Have big dreams and you'll grow into them. So these are all so inspiring. Best mom ever. I'm trying to win that award every day. Never be afraid of change. Oh wow, that is so cool. The best is yet to come. Oh, these are so inspiring, guys. The journey begins now. Wow, I wish I could take all of these home. But I wouldn't even have a place to put them, but I just love them. They're so beautiful. So just trying to give you guys some good inspiration for your Sunday, and hopefully, you know, you'll see. Oh, and let me try to show you guys my outfit of the day. Okay. I'm wearing this, even though it's warm, it's summertime, but in these stores it's cold, and I have to, like, you know, be warm. So I got this on, and I got this from like Express. This was like on sale. It was clearance. So it's really nice. I wear it all the time. Then I just have on my high-low zebra print top, and this skirt that you saw in a vlog. My high two style. Then I have on my Adidas. Not sure if you're just picking up in the camera. Hopefully it is. So yep, that's my outfit of the day. Rocking my mask, trying to be safe out here. My glasses that slip. And I am smiling behind the mask. So I hope you guys are having a great Sunday, and you know, just stay tuned. I'll just like update you when I find bargains here and there. Okay, all right, bye. Okay, I'm back, guys, and let's see, let's update you on what I got. I was actually using my arm as a shopping cart because it's literally so empty in here. Like, and Burlington honestly is never like this, but like I said, they had the massive sale and they don't really have any stock. So let me show you what I got. I want to update you guys. Look at these swim trunks I got for my baby. Oh, these are so cute, and they're brand name, and they're all on sale. They're clearance. I think these are so cute. He doesn't really swim yet, but I'm just gonna make it swag out. And this is for my niece. I didn't really want to show it on the blog because I wanted her to be surprised when I send it, but it's okay, I'm going to show it anyway. That is for my niece. For my niece. For my little boy, CK. See that? Getting this for my nephew. This for my nephew. He's a big boy. And niece is overseas. Somebody overseas can wear this. My daughter was acting like she didn't want this Nautica cute little like sport dress. I'm like, you don't know fashion, girl. This is cute. You better get it. She said she didn't understand the ruffles. So I gave her the option between this dress, this one, or this dress. And she said this dress was ugly, guys. It is not ugly in my opinion, but guess what? My niece is overseas. They can get that. Somebody can fit it. And that's it. Alright, so I hope you guys have enjoyed shopping with me. If you got a Burlington, get to it, and just, I guess, rack up on the bargains as much as you can while you can. Alright, love you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.